Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, it is Wear Test Wednesday and today we have the Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream SPF 42 PA+++. Now this is Asian Beauty. It looks like it's Korean. It retails for $12.70, although it is on sale right now on YesStyle for $8. And that is for 1.69 fluid ounces or 50 mils. It comes in a little squeezy tube pump thing. Comes in 7 colors. Alright, so what it has to say. Multifunctional Missha BB Cream provides perfect covering of skin imperfections, evens skin tone, and smooths out fine lines. Ideal for daily use. It significantly streamlines your makeup routine. Buildable formula allows you to create sheer to medium coverage. It also offers skin firming, moisturizing, and soothing effects from propylene glycol, hydrolyzed collagen, sodium hyaluronate, rosemary leaf extract, and macadamia seed oil. BB cream is fitted with SPF 42 PA+++ to provide robust protection against UVA and UVB rays, available in light beige. Now, the shade range on this is not great. I have mine in light beige. It would be great if they could expand their shade range, but Korean beauty is more centered around their needs in their country. So we're going to see how we fare. Now, with this, we are looking at a shade that is more gray toned. That is the consistency. For this side of my face, I have a dampened AOA Studio sponge, and for this side, I have the Complex Culture angled foundation brush. So let's see how we fare with the sponge side. This looks very gray, but we're gonna see how it works out. I mean, we have nice redness cancellation, and for as gray as it is, it does kind of look like my skin. Let's see how we fare with the brush side. Definitely have better coverage on this side. However, the finish leaves something to be desired for me. We're going to even out the coverage like we always do, and then pounce it out with the sponge. This brush is not really friendly on the nose. We're just going to build it up a whole bunch because we're going to see how buildable it is. Alright, we're going to finish this out with the sponge. like the way it feels a whole lot better. All right, I'm going to zoom you in so you can see what we're working with here. All right, it kind of looks like my skin, except for right here. It's kind of clinging to a little bit of something that's going on there. It doesn't have like a whole bunch of coverage. You can see I'm red here and here. Hoping that will calm down. But it does look nice on my skin. So I'm going to go apply the rest of my face. I will come back and let you know how it applied. And you know how this goes. All right. So for my brows, I used the AOA Studio Slim Brown in dark brown. For my tight line, I used the Avon True Color Glimmer Stick in Blackest Night. In my waterline, I used the Raw Beauty Christie ColourPop. It's just this one, the green one. The name rubbed off. For my lips, I used the Must Be Cindy XB Bella Boss Mode and the Laura Lee Liquid Lipstick. I don't know, it's this one. I can't read it. Alright, for my mascara, I used the e.l.f. Lash It Loud Volumizing Mascara. And for my lashes, I used the AOA Studio in the style Scarlet. For my blush, I used the Natasha Denona Puff Paint Liquid Blush Serum. I can't read the shade. I need glasses. For my bronzer, I used the Trestique Color and Contour Cheek Stick in Brazilian Bronze. And for my highlighter, I used the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. My eye look, you can go back on a Palette Picker Tuesday Live and watch that. My powder, I used the Kosas Cloud Set in Feathery. I used the ABH Dewy Set for setting spray. My primer was the Ciate London Watermelon Burst. And my eye primer was the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I believe that is it. If not, we're blaming ADHD. Okay, so the makeup has applied beautifully. The foundation looks beautiful. So I will check back in when I go to pick up the kids and show you what it looks like in natural lighting. And then I will come back later on tonight and let you know how it has worn. All right, so this is what we're looking like in natural lighting. I don't know what kind of jerk is driving like that in a school zone, but whatever. Yes, I'm judging. I don't know why this looks so crooked. Whatever. Anyways, so the shade match is good. Let's see. I think it looks nice. It feels nice. It's comfortable. And every time I look in the mirror, I feel like it looks pretty good. I don't know. This might be a good one. Because I have a full size. Let's just cross my fingers that I can just keep wearing this. And it's great for me. I don't want to give it away. It looks really pretty. And it's nice and dewy too. So we like that. But it's not, it doesn't feel like it's, or it doesn't like look so dewy that it's looks greasy. It's just kind of a nice glow. For me, that's what works best. All right, so fingers crossed that we come back and we say, hey, look, it's worn beautifully all day. Okay? All right, I'll see you I'll see you later tonight. You'll see me here in a second. All right, so for the Missha Perfect Cover BB cream, it has worn nicely throughout the day. I have lost coverage on my nose, around my mouth, on my chin. That's kind of what I would expect. It's not tight, it's not itchy, it's not drying, it's kind of dewy still, not greasy. Where it's worn away, it has worn away nicely. It's kind of just worn away. My blush and my bronzer and my highlight are all still there. All right, let me zoom you in. You can see what I'm looking at. All right, as we can see, it is worn away on my nose, obviously, but there's no bunching up. There's no chunking off. It's just nice. So for me, this is a yes. It's worn nice. It feels nice. It's great. I mean, it's not, you know, full coverage or anything. It's not gonna like conceal your every sin, but like, it's pretty nice. And it's enough coverage for those days where you just don't need a bunch of coverage. Just enough. It's really nice. It's a definite yes for me. I really like this, and I don't think I can express how excited I am to add this to my rotation of foundations. Who knew? All right. So I hope that helps somebody. I will have it linked below. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All of that stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.